Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your GoDaddy password, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your GoDaddy password, start by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. In the drop-down menu, select the Sign In option again. You will be directed to the Login page. Below the password field, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your GoDaddy account in the provided field. After entering your email address, click on the Continue button. Check your inbox for an email from GoDaddy. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link. Click on the link, which will take you to a new page to create a new password. Your new password should be strong and secure, containing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your new password in the designated field. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Once finished, click on the Save or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been reset. Return to the GoDaddy login page. Now, enter your email address and your new password to sign in. You have successfully reset your GoDaddy password and logged into your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.